to fix your Amazon seller suspension and get back to selling. If you're an Amazon seller, you know the thrill of building your business until the day you wake up to that dreadful email. Your Amazon seller account has been suspended under Section 3. Your heart sinks, panic sets in, but don't worry, you're not alone. I've helped countless sellers reinstate their account, and today I'll walk you through exactly what to do. Step 1. Don't rush. Read the suspension notice carefully. The biggest mistakes Amazon sellers make? Clicking that appeal button too fast. So slow down. Amazon tells you why they suspended your account in that email. Even if it's vague, look for keywords. Maybe it's inauthentic items, fair pricing violations, or buyer selling messages issues. Whatever it is, this is the first clue to fixing your case. So decipher that Amazon notification because that's all you have to work with. Step 2. Prepare a solid plan of action. Amazon does not want excuses. They want a clear, professional plan of action that shows 1. You understand what went wrong. 2. You've already fixed the issue. 3. It won't happen again. Start with a short intro where you acknowledge the issue. Never blame Amazon or your customers. Instead, show that you take compliance seriously. Step 3. Identify the root cause and provide a clear solution. Amazon wants specifics, not vague promises. Break it down like this. Root cause. What triggered the suspension? For example, the supplier didn't provide proper documentation. I failed to request proper documentation from the supplier, etc. Corrective actions. What have you done to fix it? Example, I have verified all supplier invoices and implemented a new tracking system. The more examples you give, the more convincing you will be. So, if you will tell Amazon you have verified and you will verify supplier invoices, then provide a few more details on the steps and how you verified these suppliers or how you will verify these suppliers. 3. Preventative measures. How will you make sure that this will never happen again? Very important. For example, monthly supplier audits, improved customer response times, better packaging. All right, so if you're going to say better packaging, then state we have bought packaging materials. We have bought better boxing. We are not going to reuse boxes. We have purchased brand new boxes, etc. Use bullet points. Amazon loves bullet points. Bullet points is the key. Step 4. Gather your documentation. If Amazon is questioning your product's authenticity, show them legitimate invoices from your suppliers. If it's shipping or customer service issues, provide tracking improvements. Step 5. Keep your appeal professional and concise. Amazon's review team doesn't have time for long-winded explanations. Stick to the facts. What went wrong? What did you do to fix it? How you'll prevent it in the future. No excuses, no fluff, no stories. Stick to the point, loud and clear, bullet points, make it simple. No emotions, please. No complaints. No crying, just a well-structured professional response. Final step, submit and be patient. After submitting, resist the urge to spam them with follow-ups. Amazon takes time to review cases. Keep an eye on your email and stay professional in any responses. Typically, you should allow Amazon 7 to 10 days to respond. Keep an eye out for Amazon's responses. When Amazon responds to you, although their responses may seem like template responses, perhaps they have changed a few letters or a few words in their responses. So pay close attention to how they respond to you, because they may be giving you subtle hints on what you have been missing in your plan of action or what information you are missing. If they continue to tell you the same thing over and over, stop, recap, and understand why Amazon is rejecting either your invoices, perhaps because your invoices are incomplete or they do not meet the requirements for Amazon to accept an invoice. Therefore, Amazon will not accept that invoice. Therefore, you need to find a new supplier and provide a new invoice. And tell Amazon, I am sorry for not being able to provide. However, moving forward, I will provide proper invoices from reputable suppliers. And here is an example of it to prove it. Don't just say something, prove it. And that is the key to success. Do you need help? If your Amazon seller account is suspended, we can help. We've also uploaded a free appeal template on our website that you can use to submit your case. Feel free to contact us for a free consultation. We can review your case and let you know your chances. We would love to help you get reinstated. Feel free to message us on WhatsApp at 1-800-491-9519 or visit us at amazonappealletter.com. You can also email us at agents@amazonappealletter.com. Have a great day and keep on selling on Amazon the right way, the successful way.